Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure prerequisites are in place. Update WhatsApp now and confirm microphone, camera, and screen recording permissions are granted. Once done, remove any VPN and connect to a strong Wi-Fi or 5G signal so packets aren't dropped. Then close WhatsApp fully, swipe it away, and relaunch to force the permission handshake. Make sure no battery saving or data saving mode is active, because those often block the system screen share broadcast service. Now handle the complex middle steps. Clear WhatsApp cache on Android or offload the app on iOS to remove corrupted temp files, then reboot the phone. After reboot, disable any display overlay apps and stop third-party screen recorders, because the system won't allow two simultaneous broadcast sources. Also turn off battery optimization for WhatsApp so the OS won't kill the screen share process. Finally, reopen WhatsApp, regrant permissions if prompted, and start a one-on-one call. To complete the fix, start a test voice or video call and tap the Share Screen button. Select WhatsApp's screen broadcast when the system prompt appears and allow audio if needed. If it still won't start, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, signing back in to reset deeper settings, then repeat the steps. If problems persist, switch to WhatsApp Desktop for a screen share alternative or use the system screen recorder to capture and share the screen. Tip: if screen share fails, check for a pending OS update that often resolves platform broadcast bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.